Richard Radke here with Multiple Income Funnel and all the reasons why you should get it with the 5 income streams. So be sure to watch the video all the way to the end so you get all the information. Okay, let me get in there and show you some of the things that are in there. First of all, you go here and it shows you all the links you get, which is a capture page. There's a link attached to each capture page, and you can use one or as many as you want. I use more than one depending where I'm sending them. So it's entirely up to you. And then if you go back in again into this system, and it shows you all the training you get. First of all, they have weekly training, which is put on by a lead company. And then you have another system here where you get all the training, show you how to be a better marketer. Look at all the stuff you get here. Certainly worthwhile watching to learn something. You can do one at a time whenever you get a little time. Do one. And then you got your 7-step training, which lesson 1 basically means work on your personality. Lesson 2 shows you where and how to get traffic. Lesson 3 shows you how to do your follow-up. And lesson 4 shows you how to do YouTube. And lesson 5 shows you how to do Facebook. And lesson 6 shows you how to block some time to do this opportunity. Unless there's some more bonuses in there. When you get in there, you can take a look for them. Then you go back into the system again. Then you go in, if you go in there, it shows you all your teams. And if you go in here, it shows you all the leads you get once you start advertising, and you get an email with each one of them. So be sure to email them to follow up. The company follows up, but they definitely want to hear from you. So be sure and follow up. And then if you go, there's a leaderboard, shows you all the leaders that are on the leaderboard. And then you go to resources, which is basically samples of follow-up emails you can use, or you can use your own, whatever you want. But be sure and follow up because they want to hear from you. Then you go into, it shows you all your businesses, and then I got a bonus income stream I'll show you later on if I don't forget. Then if we go back into the system again, well, it says start here. So we'll start here. Okay, now let's say that you like some of all them features I showed you. You go here, and Matt does a video to show you all about the system. And then you go to step 2 and step 3, which you can put your own opportunities in there. But if you don't have any, you can use the ones I got. They're both great opportunities, and they're both under $10 each. Then you go to step 4, which is Traffic Authority, a great place to buy leads. They've been in business for over 10 years, so they have great leads. Then I want to show you that bonus thing I was talking about. This is my number 5 income stream. I'll go here, and for $1 a day, I get 100 leads. So at the end of the month, I have 3,000 leads. And if you bring somebody in under that, you get another 100 leads a day. So you could have 6,000 leads by the end of the month. And you also make a small commission, and the system itself allows you to do all your emailing with it. So that is a terrific deal for that kind of money. Okay, let's see. What else did I want to tell you? Oh, and I'm also going to put a link underneath the video so you can watch Matt do the thing, and then with that same link you can also sign up. So be sure to sign up. And I'm also going to leave my contact information underneath the video, so you can contact me with if you got any questions or anything else like that. Let's see, what else was I gonna tell you? You know, I think that's about it. It seems awfully short that I might have missed. Oh, and just to tell you, we're still having great weather here. I hope you guys are too. So I think that's all I'm going to tell you for today. Hope I didn't miss anything. Okay, we'll talk to you another time.